Now on Denver 7 News at 5, the holiday travel rush is on.
Winter starts early here in Colorado.
I planned ahead because I did hear about the weather.
From the roads to the skies, millions are on the move.
We want them to get to their Thanksgiving destinations safely.
Tonight, how weather is impacting plans during the busiest Thanksgiving travel period ever.
I'm Denver 7's Micah Smith, live from the Denver City and County building where we are lighting the lights. In just a few minutes, you are in for a treat. Denver 7 News at 5 starts right now.
Thanks for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5 this Wednesday. I'm Jessica Porter. Get ready to feel the holiday cheer, Denver. We're just minutes away from the 92nd annual Light the Lights celebration. My co-anchor Micah Smith is live at Denver Civic Center Park tonight, where the magic of the season is about to come to life. Micah.
Jessica, you can't help but feel festive out here. I just stepped off of stage a few moments ago, letting the Denver Gay Men's Chorus take it away. That's what you're hearing in the background. I'll tell you, I was a little bit nervous that we wouldn't have a large crowd out here because of our weather, but we have a very large crowd despite the weather. It stopped snowing, the skies opened up, the sun came out. Still very, very cold. So I will break down all of the things happening out here tonight coming up in a few minutes. I know we have a lot of news to get to, but I'm really excited to bring you live coverage from Light the Lights.
It is so festive out there, Micah. We'll check back in just a few minutes. And of course, tomorrow is Turkey Day. We have live team coverage tonight as thousands of Coloradans brave winter weather to get to their holiday destinations. We begin with Denver 7 meteorologist Danielle Grant, also at the Light the Lights event on this chilly evening with a look at changing conditions. Good evening, Danielle.
Hi, Jessica. Yes, you said it right. It is festively chilly out here at the City and County building, but so many people braving the cold weather to get into the holiday spirit this evening. Hat, coat, gloves, scarf, you'll need it all, but it is so much fun down here. At this 5 o'clock hour, we are starting to see the sun begin to fade after that massive storm plowed across Colorado, delivering incredibly heavy snow up in the mountains and still a little light snowfall around parts of the city. Temperatures currently sitting in the lower 30s across much of the metro area, the far eastern plains. We're down to the teens in Leadville and Aspen with more 30s out to the western slope. Our storm system, it is slowly pushing out of Colorado. Still some lingering snow showers across far southeastern Colorado. Otherwise, that ridge of high pressure anchored out to the west will be pushing in, and that means beautiful but cold weather for your Thanksgiving. So temps still going to be on the cooler side tonight. We'll have plenty of sunshine for you. Looking good for the turkey trot. If you are heading out there early tomorrow morning, layer up because it will be cold, but the sunshine will always help to make it feel a little warmer. Looking ahead toward the weekend, maybe you're getting in or out of town, you have friends, family coming in. It will be dry. We're looking at good traveling conditions, so everything is finally coming into place now that the holiday is almost here. Coming up in a few minutes, I will have that Super 7-day forecast, but in the meantime, come on downtown and get into the holiday spirit with us.
All right, thank you, Danielle. It looks great out there. Well, because of the cold, Denver is opening extra shelters. Men can go to the Denver Rescue Mission on Lawrence Street Community Center. Women can go to the Samaritan House off of Lawrence Street, and anyone between 15 and 21 years old can go to the Urban Peak off of South Acoma Street. Heavy snow hitting during the holiday travel rush, interrupting hundreds of flights at Denver International Airport. FlightAware reports that there are 621 delays and 3 cancellations, with United, Southwest, and SkyWest seeing the most disruptions. Denver 7's Christian Lopez continuing our team coverage tonight live at DIA. So, Christian, how are wait times faring right now?
They are not looking bad at all. You can see those lines moving quickly behind us. Both South and West security will take you about 5 to 10 minutes right now. It is that final rush to get home just in time for Thanksgiving. Things here at DIA are not looking too bad right now. We spoke with one woman who said she was traveling back home to Idaho for the holiday. She wanted to get here 4 hours before her flight because she just didn't really know what to expect with that snowy weather and this busy travel period.
So I'm headed to Sandpoint, Idaho to spend Thanksgiving with my 88-year-old mother and my sister, and I get to go see my new great nephews, so I'm very excited.
And coming up at 6:30, we have a close look at how airport crews keep planes safe during severe weather. We'll have that for you guys coming up. Reporting live from DIA this evening, I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.
It's great to hear things are running smoothly out there. Thank you, Christian. Now to the roads. A live look along I-70 eastbound just west of the Eisenhower Tunnel. Looks like there's a little bit of traffic backed up there. After days of snowfall in the mountains, the winter storm is finally letting up, though. Parts of the Rockies received up to 3 feet of snow, creating dangerous travel conditions. Delays and some closures are still in place tonight. Denver 7's Veronica Costa in Silverthorne for us tonight. Veronica, what was it like getting through I-70 today?
It was slow going. The sun ended up coming out. That really helped drivers get a move on through I-70. That is the good news. But tonight, Loveland Pass, that is still closed. It is too treacherous to get through. CDOT telling us they have their plows out tonight. They are working as hard as they can. Listen.
We still have some slushy spots and snow near the Eisenhower Johnson Memorial Tunnel and west of that. So they will continue to be out to make the roads as safe as possible. Our message to motorists is that we want them to get to their Thanksgiving destinations safely. Once the road is safe enough to let traffic through.
And I mentioned Loveland Pass. Take a look at this video. There's lots of snow still piled up there after days and days of warning drivers about those conditions along I-70 through the mountains. It seems many of them ended up taking those warnings. CDOT plow drivers did their part too. This different video shows you a part of I-70 after the Eisenhower Tunnel. You know, it's still slick, still slow to get through. Meantime, down in the metro, some were braving the morning snow. They had to run those last-minute Thanksgiving errands, you guys.
It wasn't as bad as it has been before, but I could see tire tracks where people had slid, so I just took it slow. Just don't wait till the last minute. Get it done before this happens.
And I mentioned CDOT said they had those plows out. That was pretty much all of today. About 115 of them were out. That's between both the metro and then the I-70 corridor in the mountains. So again, they are still out at this hour trying to clean up those roads as much as possible. We're in Silverthorne tonight. I'm Veronica Costa, Denver 7.
Rough out there. Thank you, Veronica. Ski resorts are welcoming this recent snowfall. Beaver Creek Resort opened today with 300 acres available to skiers. Vail Resort says that Beaver Creek is already above 100% of average snowpack for the season. Crested Butte Mountain Resort also opened today with an expanded ski area. 3 lifts now cover 77 acres of terrain. The deadline to get an Epic Pass for the 2024-25 season is this coming Monday, December 2nd. Well, Denver's annual holiday kickoff is here, bringing the community together for a night of music, lights, and festive fun. Let's check back in again with my co-anchor Micah Smith with a look at what's ahead. Micah.
Jessica, the Denver Gay Men's Chorus is really killing it up on stage right now. They're singing Deck the Halls, but I want to show you this crowd right here. We have hundreds of people out here at Civic Center Park here to celebrate the holidays and get ready for Light the Lights. I also have Dinger, Wooly, Rapid Man, and Rocky out here with me as well. They're in the crowd, mingling, getting the crowd hype, but it's pretty cool to see them here as well. Fun fact, 20,000 lights will be lighting up Denver City and County building. This show has been in the making for several months. It takes hundreds of hours. It takes dozens of volunteers to pull this off. Dark right now, but don't you worry. In just a few minutes, we will literally be lighting the lights. Now, if you couldn't make it out here tonight, I do want to let you know when you can catch this show. You can catch it every night at 5:45 and 6:45 here at the Denver City and County building. The show lasts 8 minutes, so you definitely want to walk up or pull over safely to make sure that you can catch it. Now, I have to run back up on stage to actually light the lights, but for now, reporting live, Micah Smith, Denver 7.
We can't wait to see the show. Thank you, Micah. We'll check back in soon. Well, before you sit down to eat tomorrow, the Mile High United Way's 51st annual Turkey Trot is tomorrow morning at Wash Park. Denver 7 is a proud sponsor. Our Lisa Hidalgo will be out there emceeing that run. It directly benefits a lot of families right here in the metro area. And there's still time to register. You can find more information and register at unitedway.org/turkeytrot. You could save $7 by using the code Denver7 at checkout.